Yeah. 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 No, no, no. Falala, falala. Make I dey falala, falala. Blessings upon my life. Till they see me for Bahala. Mama say make I listen to Jah. Make I no reason to far. Man has been living too fast. Make I dey chill and relax. Life has been good to me. I do not take this with life with me. Nothing is new to me. I'm lucky and grateful for everything, yeah. Good and the bad and the ugly. All of the joy and the suffering. And then it's down on me. All that I seek is in front of me. Níṣẹ́ Olúwa kò sẹ́ni tó yẹ bí mo ṣe ṣe mi ò mọ̀. I love to stay on my diary, yeah. I keep my way looking up. As you dey see, as you dey see. Níṣẹ́ Olúwa kò sẹ́ni tó yẹ bí mo ṣe ṣe mi ò mọ̀. I love to stay on my bed every day. I keep my eye looking up. As you dey see, as you dey see. Make it work, ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yo, you guys, let us unbox this package from First Class. It's called Golden Tea, made from pure fruit of Saba. So this Christmas period, if you're looking for gift ideas, you're looking for something that you could just munch on with your family, this box here is your go-to. So let's put it inside. So you have kilishi beef jerky. I have different flavors. So this is like 1, 2, 3. These ones are not very spicy. You have the kilishi beef jerky, hot, extra hot spicy. So this one's extra hot spicy. Then we have, we've already opened this one. We have the kuli kuli crunchy, peanuts kuli kuli crunchy. I love the packaging, but this is what it looks like here. It's soft. Then we have the different teas. You have mint. You have, let's bring them one after the other. Yeah. 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 No, no, no. Falala, falala. Make I dey falala, falala. Blessings upon my life. Till they see me for Bahala. Mama say make I listen to Jah. Make I no reason to far. Man has been living too fast. Make I dey chill and relax. Life has been good to me. I do not take this with life with me. Nothing is new to me. I'm lucky and grateful for everything, yeah. Good and the bad and the ugly. All of the joy and the suffering. And then it's down on me. All that I seek is in front of me. Níṣẹ́ Olúwa kò sẹ́ni tó yẹ bí mo ṣe ṣe mi ò mọ̀. I love to stay on my diary, yeah. I keep my way looking up. As you dey see, as you dey see. Níṣẹ́ Olúwa kò sẹ́ni tó yẹ bí mo ṣe ṣe mi ò mọ̀. I love to stay on my bed every day. I keep my eye looking up. As you dey see, as you dey see.
You see these two kilish here? This one is for bandits, terrorists. If you are a terrorist, you buy this one because it's well, you are buying the box anyways. Extra spicy. But you see this one? Those of us that we are going through the straight and narrow paths, we not get wahala for like this mild one. Like it's so no nice. You know what? I'm gonna go finish out. Yeah, it comes in the box. Happy December 1st, guys. First of the month.
And we're making a big feast.
Which one is big feast?
That means you put plenty things and the dining table will be full.
Oh, okay. Hey, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas 2024. I'm making just small jollof rice. Like I woke up this morning craving jollof rice. Like, you know those ginger type of jollof rice that you be when you eat it, like it will be entering your brain. So that's what I want to eat this morning. Meanwhile, there's one gist that is going on TikTok currently. Like, a Yahoo boy was scammed allegedly, or I don't know, he's claiming that his girlfriend scammed him, but he too, his means of income is questionable. And it's like, scammer, why you dey cry, bro? Stop crying. Why do we like to copy? Like, it's a very bad thing. So I just watched the video of Okweyemi Famaki where they said they went to interview a business owner, or they reviewed something and the business was doing well. Another person that has money now went to start the same business by their side. So I was just like, this thing, remember those days when we were growing up, when people started selling pure water? That's how everybody started selling pure water. When people started cyber cafe business, when cyber cafe business was what was reigning, the Nigerians, they jumped inside. The one that can do, the one that cannot do, they jump inside. I used to be one of those people that you say, oh, the sky is big enough, until I realized that people can be diabolical in their copying. They not just copy and small, they will copy unto the point they want to drive you from what they are copying. Like, be innovative. Try. You guys, let's detangle my hair together. So I'm going to be using this Head and Shoulders shampoo and conditioner, right? Okay. Me, come and carry me.
But you are old, you're bigger. Okay, you want me to carry? That's the others. Yeah!
You I said you should carry me oh, yeah, let me go. Don't worry again. I'll carry myself. Imagine.
Pinch.
No.
Are you seeing? I'm going to pinch her and not lying. Can you see my hand?
No.
Tam! I'm pinching you.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay, I'm not playing again.